Today we're going to talk about careers that you can pursue with a Spanish degree or certificate. At Miracosta College, we offer an associate's degree in Spanish, a certificate of achievement in Spanish, and a certificate of proficiency in Spanish for healthcare professionals. Our AA degree can help you advance into receiving a higher Spanish degree at a four-year university. There are different career options for Spanish majors in different areas of employment. The main areas of employment for Spanish majors are education, interpretation and translation, arts, media and entertainment, travel and tourism, industry and commerce, and government. In some of the careers of these areas, having a higher academic degree in Spanish is a requirement. For some other careers, having a certificate of achievement or minoring in Spanish will suffice. Under the area of education, some of the careers that can be pursued are tutoring and teaching. The grade level you want to teach will determine the type of degree in Spanish you must obtain. For example, to teach Spanish at a community college, you need a minimum of a master's degree. Employers under this area include K-12 schools, colleges and universities, preschools, and professional language schools. Students with a high level of proficiency in Spanish may be interested in translation and interpretation. Trained interpreters and translators tend to be very well paid and in high demand, but this profession also requires a very defined skill set. Being bilingual or having a degree in Spanish is not enough to become a trained interpreter or translator, so you must also seek certification or accreditation. Knowing Spanish can help you advance in the job market. Many students, besides majoring in their area of interest, are also obtaining certificates or a second degree in Spanish, or vice versa. They major in Spanish and, in order to broaden their horizons, obtain a minor or a second major to go along with their Spanish degree. Let's explore some of these areas. You can seek a career in arts, media, entertainment, and perhaps work for a publisher or internet media company. Another career option might be travel and tourism, working at a resort or convention center. Industry and commerce also provide myriad career opportunities, including working in banks and financial institutions and advertising agencies. Finally, career opportunities abound in government at the local, state, national, even international level. Some of the major employers are the federal government, Homeland Security, Peace Corps, and the United Nations. So if you're interested in pursuing a career that will require the use of Spanish, make sure to explore all your options. Learn about the different degrees and certificates, and ask your counselors as well as reach out to the Spanish program for advice. The International Language Department program at Miracosta College is here to help and to clarify all your questions and needs. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.